Hello there, today I'm making vegetable soup. What I'm doing, I'm using up vegetables that I had in my fridge that are getting a little bit past it. The courgettes are getting a bit bendy, so they need to be eaten up, otherwise they'll have to be thrown in the bin. And I don't like throwing food away. It goes against my nature. So I've got 4 potatoes which I've washed and taken the eyes out. There's 3 courgettes, a leek, a tablespoonful of oil and a knob of butter, and 2 stock cubes, vegetable. And right at the end we've got salt and pepper. We don't put those in right till the soup's cooked. You can make soup with any vegetables you like. Because at the end of the day it'll taste bland and awful until you add salt and pepper. That's what makes the soup tasty. So let's get started. I've chopped up all the vegetables and I've melted the butter and oil in the pressure cooker. Now if you haven't got a pressure cooker, just use a large pan with a lid and you'll get the same result, only it will just take a bit longer. I'm using the pressure cooker because I'm hungry and I'm having this soup for my dinner, so it'll cook it quicker. It's very useful. So I've set it to soup. Get all these in here. And I've dissolved the stock cubes in a litre of water. The stock will of course add some flavour, but oh dear, I knew that had happened. But I usually find that soup is bland until you add your seasoning at the end. That's what brings it to life. Put it all mixed. So I'm adding in the stock, and then we put the lid on. And this is when the magic happens. I never know how to do this. There's an arrow that you've got to line up. There it is. Close the pressure valve and that's it. 25 minutes, that should be cooked. The soup's cooked now, everything's tender. So I've got my other best buddy, which is the hand blender. And I'm going to blend this till it's smooth. So it's all blended up now and I've seasoned it. Just put in a dash of cream and a sprinkling of parsley. And that's my lunch now, and with some lovely seedy bread. See you later. Bye.